everybody, it is me, Chasey Poo, and today I'm going to be doing another review for Early to Bed. You can go to earlytobed.com or use my link in the description below to get anything I've ever reviewed by them, which I've reviewed hundreds of things, so that makes you watch a lot of review videos and decide what you want to get. I guess whatever. The point is you get a discount code, which is great. Everything will be in the description below. Today, I'm reviewing some packing underwear, which is exciting because I haven't done that in a while. So, these are the STP briefs by Rodeoh. I have reviewed their boxers in the past that are made for STPs. I really enjoyed those because of all the little compartments inside. Now I will say it is black, so it's gonna be a little bit hard to show all the compartments. I'm gonna try my best, okay? I'm gonna try my best. All right, so these are $25 by the way. So this is what it looks like in the front. You see the line here. When you open it, there is a hole. If you put your fingers in that hole and you turn the underwear around, the front, it comes out of the front. So really not as complicated as making it seem, but I do want to show you what it looks like with a couple of prosthetics. So, as you can see, very different looks all around with the different prosthetics. I believe that honestly, these are very comfortable underwear. I've always kind of liked briefs. I have gained a bit of weight though lately, and like my thighs are chafing and kind of rubbed together more, so it's not super comfortable to wear briefs. However, when I'm in the mood to wear briefs, something like this is like a really good cut and something that I enjoy. Plus, I really like that they look like underwear. There's some packing underwear out there that you're like, obviously those are packing underwear. Whereas this, it just looks like a regular pair of underwear you probably bought at Walmart or the like Calvin Klein's, but there are some secret compartments inside for your weenie, which is great. So just in case you were wondering how to put it in, even though I've showed you what they all look like, this is the STPetite by Real MAGIK, so you put that in there. Anyways, all the prosthetics that I've shown in this video, I'll put in the link in the description below. Some are from Early to Bed, some are not from Early to Bed. But, yeah, thank you Early to Bed for sending me this. Remember, if you want to purchase those underwear, use my link in the description below and use the discount code. Alright, I'll see you later. Have a great day. Bye.